Honestly, training with Praveen is very, very difficult. He's a monster when he becomes your coach. But I think it's good for yourself only.
Hey guys, warm welcome to Bodyprocoach Nutrition. I am Maahek Nair and today we are doing a vegan spinach soup. Before I take you on to the recipe, request you to please scroll down to the description link below. You'll see all the ingredients I'm using and what equipment I'm using so that you can have exactly the same soup I'm talking about. Let's quickly go and see the recipe. Hi guys, today we are doing a vegan spinach soup. Ingredients for the same, we have some baby spinach here, we have coconut milk, unsweetened, natural, ginger garlic paste and coconut oil. Vegan spinach soup, we are first going to blend the spinach, that's baby spinach, in about 2 tablespoons of water and blend it. Now I've added the baby spinach into the blender. I'm going to blend the same into a really fine texture. First, in a pan, I'm going to add little coconut oil, or you can use a vegan butter. To that, I'm going to add half a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and saute it really well. Once our paste is slightly well done, we are going to add spinach to the same. Now we're going to let this cook on medium flame for about a minute. To this I'm going to add pink Himalayan salt. You can also add black pepper for taste. Coconut milk to the same. That means half of this. You can also put some coconut milk into your blender and extract the extra spinach which is on your blender instead of putting water. And we are going to give a nice boil to it, and our vegan spinach soup is ready. The benefits of the same: this soup is rich in electrolytes and can prevent fatigue. Also, it supports weight loss. Lastly, it's excellent in folate and great source of vitamin C and vitamin K. Thank you so much. See you soon.